sing, boom, palo agad. Kaya every Sunday may palo ako dahil maski anong gulpe, sing pa rin ako. Tapos sabi ko, inisip ko, nung nandun ako nakatira sa my mother is staying in this squatter area. My father is, you know, big shot siya. But my mother is not legally married to him. Because if I was born that time, and he did not get married, my mother is beautiful, I'll kill him. Okay. But anyway, matanda na sila nung malaman ko, nagkaedad na ako Okay, alam mo sometimes, yung father ko, degree. Nang lumaki ako, inisip ko, naku, kung nag-teacher pala ako, terrible. I have no school. Because if I'm a teacher, I have the pupils. Then, if I take dentist, I have a patient. Every time I look at him, they die. So what can I say? Now, if I will